Let's start by opening the Shopify settings. From your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Now, click on Payments to open the payment settings where you can configure PayPal. Next, click on the Activate PayPal button to start the connection process. A new window will appear asking you to enter your PayPal email and select your country. Once you enter your PayPal email and country, click Next. You'll be redirected to the PayPal login page where you'll need to enter your PayPal email and password. Once you successfully log in, you'll see a message saying, "Thanks for signing in," with a Go Back to Shopify button. After returning to Shopify, you'll see that PayPal has been successfully activated on your store. Next, let's review the payment capture methods. Here, you can choose how you want to capture payments when an order is placed. I'll keep the default option, which is automatically at checkout, as it's the most convenient. You can also enable manual payment methods, such as bank deposits, money orders, or cash on delivery. Additionally, you can customize payment methods such as setting an expiration date for gift cards or enabling Apple Wallet passes. And that's it. PayPal is successfully set up on your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.